So let's learn how to undo some stitches. So if we've been working a row and we've realized a few stitches too late that we've incorrectly knitted the pattern, and we want to take a few stitches off our needle, there are two ways we can do it. So the first is we're going to slide the stitches that we want to re-knit off the end of our needle. And if you do that nice and gently and one by one, you'll see that you can pull the yarn out of the stitch and then slide that now unknitted stitch back onto your left needle. So we'll do that again. Nice and gently slide the stitch off the needle, pull the yarn through the stitch, and then collect that little stitch and pop him back onto the onto your left needle. The other way that we can go backwards in our work is to use our left needle to pull an already knitted stitch off the right and back onto the left. So to do that, you're going to want to go into the stitch below the stitch you've just knitted. So that's capturing the stitch from the row before. So you slide your needle into the back of that stitch, slide it off the right needle onto the left, and then you see you can pull the yarn tail back through it, and we've gone back a stitch. So again, you'll use your left needle to go into the stitch below the one that's currently on your needle. Slide that now from your right onto your left needle, and then pull your yarn and you've undone another stitch.